So quite often I come up, as you see, the loft space up here, and it's a good idea to do that, especially if it's a sunny day, just to see if you get pinholes of light coming through. And I did have one. I noticed it straight away with the sun on there. If I just come out here through the window, you can see I'm missing a tile there, hence it sort of gave it away. It's not an easy one to get to with the cherry picker because of the tower there, the reach, and then to come round there is not good. Luckily on this system they have the old ladder hooks, so I'm going to, as you see, put the ladder in there. I've actually managed to get one to go down to the bottom of the ladder, so I've got actually two ladder hooks holding it, as well as, if I pan down, me with my harness on and roped up just in case. I shouldn't even need to worry about it, but the more I feel safe with things like that, the better. So I'm just going to pop out, get that tile put back in place, and then as you see, slowly I replace them. No point doing it at the moment. It's not a cheap option to start re-roofing, but just keep on top of them, which is what we're doing, and all good. Well, I'm hoping you can see. I can only adjust because most of the time I've got my eyes shut. You can see there, I've put in a stainless steel new pin in, crochet shall I say, in there. Every time I replace them I put new stainless steel ones in there. And then we'll just literally slide the tile up underneath, pop back into the crochet. Jobs are good, and I'm back down as soon as. Well, there you go, simple as that. Only a 5-minute job. Took me 2 hours to prepare myself to come out, but all done, and yeah, let's get back downstairs.
The day has come, and I never thought I would see this day.
Hello everyone.
Instead of putting it up, 2 years, 4 months later, it's coming down.
With a bang.
Well, let's hope not, because it's sold. But this is the last time I'm going to see, with all the scaffolding, my favourite view of the chateau. Oh, darling, you look so gorgeous.
Thank you, darling. Oh, okay. She's a heavy one.
My favourite view, my hall of mirrors.
Going.
Gone.
Gone.
Oh, what a difference it makes without it. It's going to be a really sad day.
Right, let's crack on.
As I said earlier, very, very sad day. All the furniture's going now. I think I might cry. This is Jolene and her husband, Terrell, and they have come from Chateau, La Croix, which is about 4.5 hours drive away, isn't it?
Yeah, it's near Bourges, near Nevers.
And you can find them on Instagram at...
I don't even know the address.
You don't know the address? So we'll put a link of the address in, and you can see where, we can all see where the furniture's going. I think it's all pretty much gone now. The chandelier too. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, well, and then that will open up more area.
I think they're going to leave the children behind.
Don't give us any thoughts.
I'm coming with you guys if you do.
Don't tempt us.
Give a minute.
So
It's getting worse and worse. You got to do the cobwebs, darling.
No, I'm removing the gold because I thought I might have some money here. Can we chip the gold off? Curtains, it is the final curtain. Coming down.
Final countdown. This is really sad. It was bad enough the furniture going, but the curtains are coming down.
Yes, actually the curtains made such a difference to this room, didn't they? As well
It
as the chandelier. Here, let's drop them.
Drop and blossom.
Yes.
Please don't.
So while I was up here last time, stealing my strawberries, padlock worked a treat, but there were so many. I'm sure Carol would have let me have a few anyhow. Or would she? But if you go down in there, we discovered a couple of little kittens up here. Couldn't find the mother, but we thought we'd come back up here again today just to see if there's any signs. Now one of them, which is I've never seen, and you've never seen Carol either, have you, is a bambino, isn't it? Pure white. There's not a mark on it. It's pure white. But they were living, actually, just under the wall. There was a small gap.
Oh, your ugly face scared them off.
Oh. That they were just down there. But no signs of them today. But when they ran off, there's a area down the bottom here which Alf cleared out kindly for us 2 years ago.
Don't shout out,
But
dog.
yeah, I'm not going to show him it because it's back where he started.
Oh, my mum's pants.
Well, they went down there, and I actually think that maybe the mother's down there as well. And we've had them before, kittens down there, and they obviously go into, which we did have once when Val was here, into the farmhouse. But yes, this is what happens when you're not here constantly on top of things. It just goes overgrown. But we're getting there. Before the new keepers. Oi, get off my strawberries.
Your lock doesn't work.
Yeah, clearly not now. You broke it. Well, we're out en route on the way to see Ash and Terry at Lolasell. We thought we'd stop off and see Chateau de la William. Thought we'd have a quick pop in and see how he's getting on. In fact, I'm hoping he's on his way over now to give me the tour. Yeah, there's a lot of work to be done on here, but actually he's doing a great job what I've seen so far. I'm not sure if I've got the right health and safety gear on for walking around here. I'm sure if any of you lot are following Brick and Mark, you'll see Will's been working on this wall here. Actually, he's done a good job. Yeah, very nice. And once he gets finished and is rendered, this is going to look amazing. But the view he gets, I'll just come round. This is cleared up. Incredible. He gets to look at Carol in a van. Oh, she's miles away. Well, the next thing to go is the Beast. It's served me well. It's helped me out with the roof a lot. Replacing tiles here and there, which would have been a nightmare if I didn't have it. But obviously I don't need it now, and I'm certainly not towing this thing home. So guy's just come, who is actually a roofer, who's taking it from me. Back to the challenge again and getting it through the gates, which shouldn't be too bad. If you saw a video where it came through then when we purchased it, so no reason why we'll go out there. And then we're only left with little few things to go. And then it's, yeah, a sad time. Plenty of exciting things I promise you to come. Morning, everyone.
Morning.
Somewhere down there. Oh dear.
I'm sunbathing.
Well, you're in the shade, you're not going to get very brown. We are at Portsmouth on our last journey back. This is the week we hand the keys over to the new owners. Hopefully, we're not actually 100% sure we're going to see them or not. They may be doing it by video conference, but we'll let you know on that. But we're just about to get the boat, and it is a glorious day.
It's
so
sunny,
sunshine all round. But,
sun lotion all round.
yeah. But we'll update you as soon as we get back to the ferry. To the chateau. And I think, Beth, you're going to try and do a video which will sort of show us before we bought the chateau and the work that's been done in the chateau, and we'll go around room by room. A lot of people have been asking for this, so we'll do that when we get there, if we get time.
We're just weeding out the last of the strawberries in the strawberry patch.
Someone didn't have time to weed them.
I'm determined to get one more.
We've got quite a few, to be fair. Some of them are a bit eaten, we've got to get rid of.
That
but
was me actually eating them, sneaking up here.
I think the garden thieves, Matt and Dave, took the best ones last time they were here.
yeah, we're getting scraps here, aren't we? We're just out here in the evening. Oh, look at that pink sky over there. That's cool. But over there, look, if you look on the camera, it's pink sky. It's cool.
That's the glow of strawberries over there.
We're just going around and seeing what's left. Got some strawberries, had some raspberries. But I was just saying to Mum, I think this is my favourite part one of the favourite parts of the chateau. Because it's just so cool. I remember coming out here and picking all of our fruits and having them. Everything's going.
That's what they did on Brico, Mark.
Anyway, I'm coming out here and picking our cucumbers. And it was so cool because they were huge. I've never seen them that big before. So I think growing your own stuff is so cool. And it's something that we definitely want to do in future. It has been incredibly busy here at the chateau. You can see the van, it's been packed. It's a real game of Tetris to get everything together because we've got quite a lot of stuff to take home still. You can see the van is a real game of Tetris. We fit so much in here.
Important merchandise. Don't forget the strawberries.
Oh dear. Have we got many left?
Well, where can I put them that Mum won't see them?
You have to get your padlock back out again.
That's all I got left.
Yeah, it's not a lot.
They're going in here.
I think you should eat them now.
I should really.
Should really. They're going to get a bit smushed in there.
Yeah, but I want to enjoy them in front of Mum and she's not here at the moment.
It's a busy day, all hands on deck. Dad, as you can probably hear, is just doing the final cut of the grass. And Mum is busy packing. How's the packing going, Mum?
It's that really bad bit at the end when you've got all the bits and pieces left that you don't really know what to do with, where to pack. You kind of just want to throw it all in the bin. But it's always the bits at the end that take so long.
It's all the little bits that you don't just shove in a box, don't you? You do
Tetris.
just shove them. Yeah.
It's Tetris. This has been probably the easiest because all these things are in boxes. But yeah, we're getting there.
We are getting there.
Well, hi everyone. Just an update. So we're slowly clearing out. It's all action here. We've got the new owners coming over shortly. And I'll have a quick chat with them and see what their intentions are. I'm going to ask them if they are up for doing the YouTube. I've got the feeling they're not. It's not something they're interested in. But if, as I said before, that sometime I'm sure they'll let us come back and update you of how they're getting on. But I just thought I'd let you know in case they don't really want to speak to anyone on the camera.
So it is the evening, Thursday the 27th. We've had a very long day. It's been lots of packing and we just got back from Burger King as a treat. And we're now just sat in a very empty salon. But we're playing Monopoly Deal. This is your favourite game, isn't it, Mum?
It's not what I wanted to be doing on my last night. I wanted to go down the bottom of the garden with my cold beer.
You got the cold beer.
And look back at the chateau, but it's too cold.
It is really
Can you believe that? In end of June, it's just too cold. So we're sat in this salon, reminiscing. Aidan's taken all my property.
It's really echoey. I'm really sorry. It's so
Check this
empty.
out. He's taken my property away again.
Do not pass go either.
If you haven't played Monopoly Deal, it's really cheap. It's really fun. This isn't a sponsorship. We just love it. So.
And it's a quick game.
And it's easy. So that's what we're spending our last night doing. And then in the morning, it's off to the notaire. And then that's it.
Job done.
That's it.
Back to England.
Has it kicked in yet?
I kicked in ages ago.
Did it?
Oh yeah. When the rooms went empty.
What about you, Mum?
I think it's just a bit sad now.
Yeah. We'll leave it at that. It's a bit echoey anyway. You probably can't hear us. We are on the ferry home now. The deal is done.
Got grapes instead.
How you feeling, Dad?
Not so bad actually. It didn't go too badly, did it?
No.
Certainly feeling rich.
Long. It was long. It was very long, and it was all in French, so I kind of just sat there and didn't understand anything. At least you could understand what was going on.
No, only bits.
No?
I'm like a jigsaw puzzle, like the wooden floor we did.
Oh, you piece it together.
I piece it together bits and hope I got it right. Most of the time I don't.
No.
But yeah, that's the only way to do it. But yeah, it did go well.
Yeah.
And I spoken briefly with the new owners who won't be YouTubing it. But
Oh, were they not? Did you ask them?
Yeah, but they're more than happy for us to go back now and then to update them, or update everyone on how they're getting on.
Yeah.
But there's no point doing that for a while because first thing you'll just get used to the place.
Yeah, I think his plan, he said to begin with, was he wants to get the windows done, which is good. That's the first thing he said he wanted to do, didn't he?
Yeah, well
And then I think it was the roof.
Well, he won't have any money left after he's done the windows.
I think that was his plan afterwards.
Yeah, we don't have any
Maybe.
Carol with us because we left her.
Yeah, guess where she is?
France.
She's sunbathing.
She's sunbathing, a bit like what we're doing.
Yeah, so are you. But yeah, on the way back to the UK now, and that'll be it.